Blockchain certification programs. What's new in 2024? In this video, we will explore the latest trends and updates in blockchain certification programs, and what you can expect in 2024. Evolution of blockchain certification programs. The evolution of blockchain certification programs has been remarkable, with new courses and training programs constantly being developed to keep up with the latest industry trends. As blockchain technology becomes more mainstream, the demand for professionals with blockchain skills has never been higher. Online certification programs have made it easier than ever for individuals to learn about blockchain technology and earn valuable certifications from the comfort of their own homes. Emerging trends in blockchain certification programs. One of the key trends in blockchain certification programs is the increasing focus on skill verification. Employers are looking for professionals who can demonstrate their knowledge and expertise in blockchain technology, and certifications are a valuable way to prove that you have the skills they are looking for. The importance of blockchain certification in a competitive job market. Having a recognized certification can set you apart from other candidates and demonstrate your commitment to professional development. Accredited certifications are particularly valuable, as they are recognized by industry leaders and are a sign of your expertise in the field. The future of blockchain education. By enrolling in blockchain certification programs and staying up to date with the latest innovations and trends, you can ensure that you have the knowledge and expertise needed to thrive in the blockchain industry. Conclusion. In conclusion, the evolution of blockchain certification programs is an exciting development for professionals looking to enhance their skills and advance their careers in the blockchain industry. By staying current with the latest trends and updates, investing in your education, and obtaining valuable certifications, you can set yourself up for success in this rapidly growing field.